Hi all, welcome to EduFlare Academy. So we are discussing previous year questions related to our child development and pedagogy. We already completed our first two chapters and their previous year questions. Now we move on our next chapter, chapter 3, that is influence of heredity and environment. Okay, this is our third chapter. This is one of the most important chapter. Regularly questions asked from this chapter. So let's move on the question. The first question is, which of the following statements supports the role of environments in the development of a child? Okay. Which of the following statements support the role of environments in the development of a child? So four statements are given there. First one, some students quickly process information while other in the same class do not. There has been a steady increase in students' average performance on IQ tests in last few decades. And third one, correlation between IQs of identical twins raised in different homes is as high as 0.75. Physically fit children are often found to be morally good. So, among these statements, which statement is related or supports the role of environment in the development of a child? So I give you 10 seconds, try to find out the answer. Okay, let's see the solution. Here the correct answer is option B. What is option B? There has been a steady increase in students' average performance on IQ. IQ means intelligent quotient test in last few decades. So this statement is supports the role of environment in the development of a child. And the explanation of this answer is, the question asks which statement supports the role of environment in child development. So the first option, what is the first option? Some students quickly process information while other in the same class do not. The statement is correct, but which is not related to environment. Okay, the statement is correct, but the statement is not related or not support the role of environment. Why? This shows individual differences which may come from heredity, not due to environment. That is the difference. Okay, as well as environment. It does not clearly show environmental influence. So the individual difference is happens due to heredity. Next option, this is our correct answer. There has been a steady increase in students' average performance on IQ tests in last few decades. Why this answer? This is known as the Flynn effect. Okay, this is known as the Flynn effect. It shows that children's IQ scores have improved over generation. Okay, the statement shows that children's IQ scores have improved over generations, mainly due to, what is the reasons for this improvement in IQ scores? Mainly due to better nutrition, education, healthcare, technology, and enriched environments. So clear evidence of environmental role in development is this. The statement implies the clear evidence of environmental role in development. Okay, the main reason behind the children's IQ scores improvement is that mainly due to better nutrition, education, healthcare, technology, enriched environment. These all are environmental factors. So the second statement is supports the role of environment in development. What is the third statement? The correlation between IQs of identical twins raised in different homes is as high as 0.75. So this statement support hereditary, that is genetic factors, because even in different environments their IQs are highly similar. Physically fit children are often found to be morally good. This is more a general statement without evidence and does not directly show environmental influence. Okay. So the correct option is option B. And the next question number 2. Which of the following statements is true regarding role of heredity and environment in human development? So here the question is related to both heredity and environment. So the options are given there. The relative effects of heredity and environment vary in different areas of development. The policy of compensatory discrimination of the government of India is based on the role of nature in human development. The role of environment is almost fixed, whereas the impact of heredity can be altered. The theories based on the behaviorism are largely based on the role of nature in human development. Okay. So I give 10 seconds, try to find out the answer. Which statement is true regarding to the role of both heredity and environment? Okay, let's discuss the solution. The correct answer is option A. The relative effects of heredity and environment vary in different areas of development. Okay. The other three options are wrong because policy of compensatory discrimination of government of India, this is a wrong statement. There is no such kind of statement. And the second one, the role of environment is almost fixed. We know that that statement is incorrect. Why? The role of environment is not fixed, it will be changeable. Okay, it will be not fixed one. And also the theory of behaviorism is not based on the nature. Okay. So the correct answer is the relative effects of heredity and environment vary in different areas of development. Correct answer aanu. In some areas like physical traits, what are the physical traits? Height, eye color, etc. Heredity has a stronger role, while in areas like language, attitude and skills, environment plays a larger role. Okay. So modern psychology accepts that development is an interaction between heredity and the environment. One of the most important point, development is a result of interaction between both heredity and the environment. That means a child development depends upon both, or the development of a child depends upon both heredity and the environment, not environment alone and not heredity alone, and their relative influences differ by domain. That is the correct answer. So these are the two important areas in this chapter, that is the difference between nature and nurture. Most of the students get confused after seeing these terms. Nature means heredity, not environment. Okay, commonly the meaning of nature is environment, but here the nature is opposite of environment, that is heredity. Nature refers to the biological and the genetic factors we inherit from our parents. These are inborn qualities that we are born with. Examples: our eye color, height, natural intelligence capacity, blood group, physical structure. These all things are due to nature, that is our genetic or heredity. Nature provides the potential or raw material for development. It is fixed. We cannot change our genes. Okay, our genes are fixed. Genetic factors are fixed. We can't change these things. But when we move to nurture means environment. Nurture refers to the environmental influences we receive after birth. Okay, genetic or nurture is at the time of birth. Here nature is at the time of birth, nurture is taken place after the birth, that is environment. These include family, upbringing, culture, education, peer group interaction, language, social and economic condition. All these are environmental factors. So this shapes, modifies and develops the potential given by nature. example, a child may have natural musical ability, but without training, practice, and encouragement, that talent may not grow. So this example shows the relative importance of both heredity and environment in the process of development. Environment is flexible and changeable. It can improve or hinder development. So that is the another important point. Environment is flexible and changeable. Okay, so these are the importance of environment and heredity, or nature and nurture. Okay, so this is our first session in this chapter. Hope you understand the areas, questions and answers. Okay, thank you.